understand how to implement alerts in your trading using a diagram. Let's take the example of SRF alert to illustrate how to use an alert for trading. As shown in the image, an alert was generated for SRF on 25th July 2024 with a trigger price of 2,422 rupees. The alert also indicated a best price of 2,401 rupees, implying that entering the trade near this price could yield the best returns. Additionally, the alert provided information on stop loss and target levels. Please note that any alert remains active only until the holding period specified in the alert. Once the holding period ends, you must square off the position, regardless of whether it results in a profit or a loss. Now, let's go over how to set up alerts on the chart. First, load the stock futures chart with a 15-minute time frame. Mark the candle at which alert was generated. Start by drawing a line at the trigger price, followed by line representing the best price, line representing the stop loss, and line representing the target levels. Once all the lines are drawn, wait for the price to approach the best price level. If the price then moves in the direction of the alert, it could be an optimal entry point for a trade with a favorable risk-reward ratio, potentially leading to higher returns with lower risk. Hope this video has provided a clear understanding of how to use automated alerts in your trading. Sign up today to get real-time alerts on the hottest momentum stocks. Thanks for watching this video.